So these are now my wife's favorite patio gliders. And I have to say that they may be my favorite too. These are so nice. Not only that these ones are easy to assemble, she did it by herself. She did everything by herself, and I think it took each chair probably like 20 minutes. So I would say that with power tools, 40 minutes or so, something like that with the instruction manual. But if you are just by yourself and you don't have power tools, just spare 1 hour. Just pour a drink, wine, or something like that, some music, and it will take you like an hour. But these ones, which I'm gonna show you in a close-up in a few seconds, holds 300 pounds each. So that is really cool for patio chairs, because these ones are gonna be gliders, so you can just chill, relax. By the way, these are tall chairs. Each one is 41 inches tall, meaning that this one's gonna be for tall people. I'm 5'10", I weigh 180 pounds, and you can see that I'm perfect right here, and these are super relaxing. Let's take a closer look. Okay, check it out. Entirely breathable, really nice and breathable mesh over here, so you can actually get out of the pool, get out of the, if you're like in a shower or something like that outside in the patio, you can get out and just sit in this one, which is gonna drip underneath the chair. So that is really cool for keeping up with this fabric hood. Also, by the way, you can leave them outside. They're gonna be waterproof and they're not gonna decay or rust, so you can leave them outside. You can see totally gliders. These are really easy and really cool to have and just like chill and relax. And it also comes with kind of like nice ergonomic armrest over here, which ends kind of like in a comb right here section. So that's gonna be really cool for, again, chilling and relaxing. But again, one more time, if I gotta say, this one with the 300 pounds, the easy assemble, the nice and tall back support, and the breathable and elastic mesh, I think that these ones are gonna stay right here in my patio for chilling, relaxing, and also just reading or watching a movie or something on your phone, your devices. This one is really cool. So relaxing.